And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today I'm going to have a look at the Sports Finder mode in the Fuji X-T3. Now, according to the manual, Sports Finder mode says takes pictures using the crop in the centre of the display. Chooses option for pictures of athletes, birds and other moving objects. Pictures are taken using a 1.25 crop, reducing the picture angle by an amount equivalent to increasing the lens focal length by 1.25. The crop is shown by a frame in the display. Now also the image quality, if you pick JPEGs or RAW and JPEGs, the JPEGs is set to medium image size. It also is the Sports Finder is not available in modes that offer an electronic shutter. So I just thought show you how to set that up, and I've done a short clip to try and illustrate how it works and how it can be useful. So if we go into the menus on the camera, if you then go to shooting and settings, and you'll find Sports Finder mode, and if we turn that to on and come out, you'll see you get a square in the actual frame, like an inner frame that says it's cropped at 1.25. Now the camera actually takes the photo in that frame, so anything leading up to that frame it's not going to capture, or anything leaving that frame it's not going to capture. It's only going to capture that bit in the frame, so you can anticipate when to take the shot. So if something starts to move into frame, you can anticipate it coming in and plan when to take the shutter, rather than it just appearing and you think, oh, where is it? So it's quite useful for that. And I say, if you go into the quick menu, and if you change this to JPEGs, you'll see that the actual quality becomes medium, and you can change the actual physical size, but not the actual quality. And if you go to normal, it stays at medium. RAW and fine, it stays at medium. It doesn't change. If you leave it on RAWs, then you do get the full RAW on the image. So really it's just a shooting aid for sports, wildlife, just so you can get a bit of anticipation on where the object's going to fill the frame or enter the frame. So I've done a short clip, and I'll put that into this video, and you can have a look if it seems of any use to you, or you might find it of interest just to try out. So as you can see, as the cars enter the frame, you can anticipate when to take the shot, and the shot is only taken in that centre section, so anything entering like the bike or leaving that frame won't be taken, only that part that's in the centre. And as you see, you're going to take a shot, you're only getting the half of that post, and as the cars enter, then you take the shot, and as you leave, take the shot. So it's just a way of anticipating where the actual images or objects are before you take the shot. So if you enjoyed that video, give it a thumbs up, then give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified, hit that bell button. Till next time, see you later.